So 5 out of 26, do we all understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so let's move forward. So let's take a look at simple events. 0% chance, 25% chance, 50% chance, 75% chance, and 100% chance. So we're going to talk about this, and this is where we're going to have an opportunity for you guys to have some conversation with at your tables about these different events. And when you guys finish with that, we're gonna I'm gonna call out. We're gonna share. I'm also gonna start passing out coins, and we're gonna do some experiments as a in your tables. The papers that I provided, you guys will be able to write down the outcomes of each chance event. So I'm gonna give you an example. You can hold on to that till after. So I'm gonna give you a 0% probability. You ready for this one? I'm gonna give you an example. Mr. King decides to go out in space without a spacesuit on or an oxygen tank. There's a 0% chance that I'm going to be able to breathe. Do you guys agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. A 25% chance. Let's just say I've got popsicles. I went out yesterday to get popsicles. I've got 4 flavors. It's 1 out of 4. It's a 25% chance. Let's just say I want that cherry one. And I've got my eyes closed and I'm digging in that bag. Because there's only 4 colors, I've only got a 1 out of 4 chance of getting cherry. 50% chance. Right here, which is what you guys are going to do first. Heads or tails? How many people watch football? Raise your hand. What is one of the things that they do at the very beginning of a football game?
They actually change coin toss.
Coin toss. Is that what you were going to say? Thank you. Coin toss. Heads or tails? Right? Then we have a 75% chance or a probability. Now, 75% chance would say, okay, let's go back to those popsicles that I have for you guys. I've got 1 grape, 3 cherry. Isn't that a 75% chance that I might be able to get a cherry?
Yes.
Okay. Now, 100% chance, I'm going to say the sun comes out every day. Whether it's cloudy or not, the sun is always out. Do you agree?
Yes.
There's a 100% chance that that's going to happen. Now, what I want you guys to do in your groups, I want you guys to have a quick discussion. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do this. And I want you guys to come up with 5 different events, a 0% chance, 25%, 50, 75, and 100. And I want you guys to turn and share with your partners and come up with some good probabilities, or excuse me, some good examples for each of those. So the 2 minutes starts now. Go.
Oh, so we could like write examples?
Yep, write them on that sheet of paper that I gave you guys. I know you came in late, so I'm going to give you one. But talk to your peers. So you got a 0% chance of something happening?
Chance that I'm gonna win
Something that's
coin toss
impossible.
or lose it.
What's impossible?
I think 75.
Well, just come up with some examples. You needed, who else needed a sheet of paper? I know you.
Number lines. I thought we were just supposed to talk. Yeah, we are. See you guys then.
Okay, just go ahead and talk. I'm only giving you guys a couple minutes. I also want to give you guys a chance to do some probability. How you guys doing back here? If you shoot the last high, what are the outcomes? What are the possible outcomes that this happens? When you shoot that gas, Sweden's going to have to. So exactly. So when you do a probability, like, and I know you guys like doing it, right?
Is it a 100% chance of
No!
a 100% chance of making a football team?
Take a camera.
Right?
Okay, so you have 0%. So that 0%.
Okay, how about 50-50 chance of playing representatives?
winning part percentage.
So when we're thinking about that,
Exactly. It's 50, but it's 50% chance you'll win. 50% you'll lose.
give me an example.
100% chance that
Alright, 50.
There's 100%
It's already 0.
So I'm gonna put something in the back.
stop looking at a team. That's what
Yes.
There's a 50% chance that the class will get 50%.
probably can't.
Okay.
You break them.
That's a good one.
Why you do them?
I'm gonna give you about another 30 seconds, and I'm gonna have some of you guys share some of your probabilities. Okay?
Chance of winning the lottery. That's percentage. Not putting over here.
How we doing, guys?
We have 0% chance of winning the lottery. And
Nah, is that?
50, I said 50. 1 in a million.
Well, you know what? I'll say you're correct. Let me tell you why.
What?
You're not old enough to play. There you go. It's a 0% chance, right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Complete. Yeah. Just come on, we'll not stop looking at the table. For real, come on, y'all. I don't like no one noticing this.
Okay, guys. Let's circle back. Let's circle back. Okay. Can somebody share with me a 0% chance that they have talked to their group with? Go ahead.
0% chance of winning the lottery.
Zero. Can you rephrase that? Rephrase that.
0% chance of winning the lottery if you're a kid. If you're a kid.
Right, because you're not old enough, so you can't play. How about a 25% chance? Can a table share with me what you guys came up with? Go ahead.
I put, there is 25% chance that Zahani will make the basketball in the hoop.
Okay, so let me ask you this question. So if you are shooting the basketball, what are the possible outcomes that could happen? Did you hear what your partner said? Donald, can you add on to what he was saying with regards to the basketball? Go ahead. What did you just say so the class can hear you?
It's a 50% chance that you're going to make a basket, or it's a 50% chance that you're going to miss it.
Right, those are the only outcomes. You either get it in the hoop or you don't. Right? How about a 75% chance? Does anyone have one? Well, you got to keep in mind, You got to keep in mind, we have to look at there's Ziani. Everyone, listen up. To be able to have a probability, the outcome. Table 4. The outcome has to be a certain thing. Okay. Now, what you just said, you got to be able to state some evidence as to why. Now, I am giving you guys the example. I've got 4 flavors of popsicles. And there's a 75% chance that I won't get grape because I've got 3 other colors. I mean flavors. Excuse me. Now, okay, so okay. Yep, absolutely. Thank you. Give me a 100% chance.
There's a 100% chance that Mr. King is going to teach the kids that want to learn and listen every day.
Bravo. There you go. Okay, so now I want you guys to have a little bit of fun. So what I want to do, I want to talk about that 50-50. Now, who was it that had mentioned at the beginning of a football game, was that you, Donald, you said that they flip a coin. Now, what type of an event is that?
50-50.
Now, do you think, these are fair-sided coins, okay? You've got, what are your outcomes? Heads and tails, right? Heads and tails. Now these are rigged coins because I'd probably get in trouble by the by the FDIC for having some rigged coins.
How you have red coins?
You know what?
I don't know,
People do a lot of crazy things. But what I'm gonna say is, these are all heads and tails. These are all actual coins, guys. Stay, guys. Table 1, table 3. Stay with me. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pass out a coin to each table. Okay? And I'm gonna give you guys your instructions as I'm passing them out. Now I need a volunteer in each class. I need somebody to be the recorder. Who's gonna be the recorder? Raise your hand. Okay, so what you're gonna do, we're talking about probability. Now, if there's heads and tails, what is the percentage of a chance that it's gonna be heads? 50%. Now, do you think that's gonna be true? Do you think that's gonna be true for the most part? Omari? Yes. Let me give you the instructions. You guys will have plenty of time to talk once I give you guys the lesson. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what we're gonna do is the recorder, we're gonna have you guys, whoever is not recorded, we're gonna have the others at the table, we're gonna flip the coin 10 times. And I want you to record how many times it hits on heads and how many times it hits on tails. Darius, do you understand the directions? Can you repeat the directions for the class?
You said that they're going to put the coin 10 times and then there's a recording to record.
That is correct. So does everyone know what they're doing? Yes. So I'm going to give you guys about 5 minutes to do this. And when you guys finish with this, I'm going to give you guys an additional example with the dice. So go ahead and flip the coin and record your data. Go.
Heads 1. Heads 1. Put heads 1.
No, put a tally for it. Tally for it.
Tails. Tails.
Heads.
Oh my God, Darius, stop touching me.
We got tails. That's what I did. Heads.
Hey.
Give me this.
No. You know what? Fine.
You guys don't know how to flip coins.
Nobody wants to flip a coin. It's all about dice, bro.
Tails.
Bro.
That's how you do it.
Nobody likes to do that. That's bum. You do it.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna pick it.
Leave it how it is.
Tails.
Yeah, that's smart.
Tails 1.
Yes. 10 times.
Tails.
Okay.
8, 9, 10.
Hurry up.
That was just head.
How much was that?
9.
Ah, look at that. I'm gonna talk to you guys after. I'm gonna talk to you guys after.
Mr. Key, ours is $5.
5, 50-50.
That was all on you. I can't flip no coin unless I do this.
How can you not flip coins at that?
Cause it's bummy. Wait. Tails.
Okay, so you guys have your 10. Just stop right there.
You good?
Does everyone have their 10 flips? Raise your hand if you already have 10 flips.
I said tails.
I've got table 6, table 3, table 4, table 5. You guys have done it 10 times. Now, okay, so the question that I have for you real quick on this one. Now, you guys had mentioned that it's a 50% chance that it'll land on heads or tails. Out of 10, in a show of hands with the groups, out of all the groups, how many people have 5 heads and 5 tails? Raise your hand. I've got one group.